Okay, I wanted to show the finished product before I show the unboxing and installation. Okay, here I am unboxing this hard tri-folding truck bed cover. I'm going to be installing it on a Ram 1500. The year is 2025. It is the short bed, the 5.7 foot, but this installation is going to be very similar for many makes and models. Here I am checking all the parts, make sure they're all here. I have two front clamps, four rear clamps, two triangle screws, two fasten nuts, one spare buckle, one spare T-bar, two spare buckles, and two spare screws. Here's the installation book. Okay, my truck's brand new, so I don't need to clean it, but definitely clean the very front of the truck bed and add this weather stripping. I think it's going to be very important to install this in this area. It is supplied. Here it is, fully installed. Very easy to install. Got a adhesive end. You just stick in place. All right, you want to go ahead and put the cover on and unfold it all the way. Make sure it's properly lined up with the front and the tailgate area. And once it's all the way folded up again, you're going to start with the section that is closest to the cab. We're going to go ahead and start installing the front clips. Now these clips are going to hold that first section that is closest to the cab. It's going to be permanently in place. And what I mean is it's going to be fixed. It's not going to fold at all. The good news is these are, you don't need any tools to install this. So if you do need to fully use your bed, removing this bed cover is going to be very easy. All right, here I am kind of sliding it back in place. Once that piece kind of clips that metal rail right there, you want to have it as closest to the rail as possible. And you really don't have to tighten this extremely hard, and you don't want to either, because this is plastic and it could snap and break. So as long as it's snug, you are going to be good. Step three would be to install the clamps. You literally just put them in place and hand tighten them down. You're just going to temporarily put them in place because once it's folded down is when you're going to install them to the rail underneath. At this point, I just wanted to show you how to clip this in place. So if you do ride around with your bed wide open, you can secure it in place, the very front portion. I don't know if that little piece is necessary to stay in there or was this there for shipping purposes, but I put it back in place. All right, once both sides of the front section is secured, I'm going to go ahead and fold the middle portion down. I'm going to go ahead and install these clamps. Go ahead and install them on both sides. And right now, I'm going to, in real time, take a look at how to secure these in place. So once you folded them in, you can actually snap them in place. And here I am installing the clamp for the middle piece. You do that on both sides. And now I'm installing the clamp on the very end piece near the tailgate. Nice snug fit. I really like the way this looks, guys. You're really going to like this cover. It makes the truck look good. That texturized look looks really great. Now here I am going to show you in real time how to open these up in a situation where you want to get access to your bed for your tools or whatever the situation may be. I'm just going to show you in real time how easy this is. You just undo that clamp. And if you are going to fold it all the way up, it is best that you go ahead and put those clamps in that little snap-in location. There I am undoing the middle section clamp. Now here you notice I did not put that clamp tucked in, and that probably could damage that clamp. So good thing I put it down nice and easy here, but definitely if you're trying to fold it all the way up like that, go ahead and tuck those clamps in. Once again, it's plastic. All right, here we are with the finished look again. Very clean, nice and slick. No matter what type of trifold cover you'll get, there will be a little bit of leaks, especially by the tailgate. But everything else looks nice and secure, nice and tight. Now, the only area that I think water is going to get in is right here in the front here. So I did have some extra weather stripping that I'll probably take off that very front section and put some more weather stripping on that very corner. Like I said, all tailgates are going to have a little bit of leak right there. I don't know if there's anything you can do about it.